Well, I think it's because the foundation is faulty.
Yes.
The Bible's foundation is faulty. What can the righteous do? It is for us to lead our younger ones to Christ, because there's nothing there really. It's for you. Once you have the foundation that you're supposed to obey your husband in all things.
You're supposed to be submissive.
Submissive. That's all the Bible asks us. The Bible did not say whether the man is right or not. The Bible says that a wise woman builded her home. Yes. Why the foolish are packaged with their own eyes? The Bible did not give any circumstance under which she must build her home. You have to be wise. When God gives you wisdom as a wife, you build your home. Even if the man is in error, it doesn't matter. What the Bible enjoys the wife to do is to be submissive and live right. So that's all. And
once you are submissive as a wife, in fact, it's as if you know what they call love portion. It's as if you are giving love portion to your husband,
yes.
And that is the truth. That's the key to successful marriage. You just have to be submissive
and respect
the man, no matter what. Whether you decide to marry the man, I keep telling people, they will say, my husband is stupid or I'm stupid. If your husband is stupid, you are even stupid square. That is what it means. I've been married for over 25 years, and I don't have.
We have been married for over 25 years.
We have been married for over 25
years. We married
years.
1 week apart.
Yes,
and we are
age mates too. So we are happy with our marriages. So,
and our children are blessed.
Yes, yes. So it's just unfortunate that you have some women that are not mature, and they listen to others.
They have the wrong foundation.